So you want to be a true man now? Hear this. It may help you, my friend. Learn who you are as an individual. Self-discovery is the foundation. It means understanding your values, interests, and what makes you unique. Only when you truly know yourself can you navigate life authentically. 2. Stand up for yourself and your beliefs. It's about having the courage to defend what you believe in, even when it's not the popular opinion. It's a mark of integrity and strength. 3. Avoid a physical fight if you can. Physical confrontations should be a last resort. Conflict resolution through communication and peaceful means demonstrates maturity and intelligence. 4. Play a team sport. Team sports teach cooperation, teamwork, and adaptability. These qualities are invaluable not only in sports, but also in life. 5. Choose your friends for the right reasons. Surround yourself with friends who share your values and uplift you. True friends are the ones who stand by you in both good and challenging times. 6. Fight your fear of the unknown. Embrace new experiences, cultures, and ideas. Overcoming your fear of the unknown leads to personal growth and broadened horizons. 7. Listen to advice. Seek wisdom from others, especially those who have walked the path before you. While not all advice may be relevant, learning from others can be invaluable. 8. Be politically aware. Awareness of the world around you is crucial. Engaging in current events and understanding politics enables you to be an informed citizen and make a difference. 9. Mind your manners. Good manners demonstrate respect for others and are a sign of emotional intelligence. Politeness goes a long way in building meaningful relationships. 10. Be patient in love. True love doesn't rush. It's about getting to know someone, forming a deep connection, and growing together. Patience and understanding are key in love. 11. Stay fit. Physical health is a reflection of discipline and self-care. It ensures a longer and more active life, allowing you to pursue your passions. 12. Never do something on a dare. Don't succumb to peer pressure or reckless dares. Making responsible choices, even when challenged, is a hallmark of maturity. 13. Get organized. Time management and organization help you achieve your goals. Being efficient and focused enhances productivity and reduces stress. 14. Find heroes to copy. Identify role models who embody qualities you admire. Emulating these heroes can inspire personal growth and character development. 15. Be independent. Independence means taking responsibility for your own life. It's about doing daily tasks, being self-sufficient, and contributing positively to society. 16. Question authority. Healthy skepticism is crucial. It doesn't mean disrespect, but rather the ability to think critically and challenge decisions when necessary. 17. Get smart. Lifelong learning is essential. Acquiring knowledge and staying informed empowers you to make informed decisions and engage in meaningful conversations. 18. Express yourself. Don't be afraid to show your true self. Whether it's through art, clothing, or words, self-expression is a way to connect with others and assert your identity. 19. Pay attention to the short run. Enjoy the present and have fun. Life is about balance, and it's important to appreciate the moment while planning for the future. 20. Keep your eye on the long run. While enjoying the present, it's also essential to have long-term goals. Thinking about the future helps you make decisions that align with your aspirations and values. Incorporating these 20 traits into your life, it can help you become a true man, characterized by self-awareness, integrity, strength, and a commitment to personal growth and positive impact. Consider subscribing to our channel